Now, vaping is posing a serious health threat to our teens and young adults across the country.
Health experts here have a warning for parents that vaping could cause lasting lung problems.
Team 12's Matt Uris is keeping you safe.
Contrary to what some kids believe, vaping is not a harmless flavor from water. That's according to Dr. Kara Chris, director of Arizona's Department of Health Services.
There are harmful chemicals. It can cause lung damage. Many of them that we've investigated also contain nicotine, which is highly addictive and can set the kids up for long-term consequences.
While selling vape devices to minors is against state law, Arizona's youth are 2 times more likely to vape than smoke cigarettes, according to DHS.
Mild effects could be respiratory problems, especially if you're breathing them in and you already have some kind of underlying chronic disease. But the other things that we're hearing are burns.
In Minnesota, Children's Hospital has had 4 confirmed cases of severe lung damage linked to vaping. The patients reported using the devices to smoke nicotine and THC for months or years. All were 16 to 18 years old and first experienced symptoms like cough, fever, and shortness of breath. Ultimately, their conditions worsened.
They've required help with their breathing. They've required oxygen. They've required machines to help them breathe in some instances. Really ill.
Arizona's campaign on the website factsoverflavor.com primarily targets kids 8 to 13 years old. We've made those facts easy to find on our 12 News app. Matt Uris, 12 News.